Number 6, at the end of the day, a shopkeeper has 12 tins of cat food left. Okay. This is 3 of 13 of the number he had at the beginning of the day. Calculate the number of tin he had at the beginning of the day. So 12 tin, 12 is equal to 3 over 13. So in other words, 12 is the 3 part out of 13. So from here, P should equal to 12 over 3, you get 4. And to find the number beginning of the day, just take 4 you time 13 because you have 13 part. So they will give you 52. So that's all. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your studies. And if you feel that this video helped you, and please subscribe, and see you again. Bye bye.